Hi everybody, I'm Jeremy. This is Sean. This is Michaela.
That's Crash Michaela!
That's Crash Michaela.
What the heck?
Well, we're going to show you a PlayStation Classic.
Yeah, look at this. This is 100 Thieves.
Well, I guess we'll open this bad boy up and see what we got in here.
And we're going to make a hole. It's going to be awesome, dudes. I have a Moby shirt on.
Well, it's packed really tight. All right.
Do you need help?
Okay. There we go. Oh, look at that. A white PlayStation box. It reminds me of the VR box that the headset comes in.
It comes in the Xbox with a PlayStation, a controller. Michaela has pee in her diaper. I don't know.
Let's see what we got here. Oh.
Excited. We've never opened this before.
Okay. So there it is. That's how it comes stuffed in the box. Isn't that cute?
It is cute, dude.
And little manual here.
There's mail.
And let's see what we got on the box too. We have the games that it comes with. And 20 incredible games that define an era. I'm sure there was some other games that they probably could have put on here.
Show them what games that it comes with.
Alright, we have Battle Arena Toshinden, Cool Borders 2, Destruction Derby, Final Fantasy 7, Grand Theft Auto 1, Intelligent Cube, Jumping Flash, Metal Gear Solid 1, Mr. Driller,
And the game talk.
Oddworld Abe's Odyssey, Rayman, Resident Evil Director's Cut,
Eggman.
Revelations, Persona,
What's up, dude?
Ridge Racer Type 4, Super Puzzle Fighter 2 Turbo,
I like that game.
Siphon Filter,
And Mary
Tekken
Poppins,
3.
Don't forget.
Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six,
We just watched Mary
Twisted
Poppins.
Metal, and Wild Arms.
Arms.
So you can see that.
How many games does it come with?
20. It says 20 incredible games that defined an era. Which I'm not so sure about all 20 defining the era. They left out a couple of games they should have had on here.
Like
And-
what games?
Like Crash Bandicoot and Pyro. Any one of those trilogy games. Twisted Metal 2.
Trash Bandicoot. I love that.
There was a
Sparkle.
lot of other ones too. Let's see. It says there's no USB USB AC adapter not included. So you need your own USB AC adapter
That's strange.
to power it up. So I'm gonna use my NES Mini or Super Nintendo Mini power brick to power mine up.
I don't know why is there banana.
So let's check this little guy out.
Very,
Merry Christmas. Ho, ho,
tight to
ho.
me.
Yeah. So
Oh,
cool.
wow, that's small.
I just love how these things are so tiny.
Jingle bell.
I was expecting
Look
it
at
to
that
be
guy.
bigger.
Elephant.
Let's see
Jingle
here.
bell. Jingle all elephant.
So, this is a manual, and it comes with
Jingle all
the steps
elephant.
for hooking up your controller to...
So basically it looks exactly like the original PlayStation 1 did. Got a power button, an open button for the disc, and a reset button. Obviously the tray doesn't open because there's no discs needed inside of
No
this.
dice. Duh.
But it does look like the original. It's really cool looking. We got Woody Woodpecker. Alright, so Let me see what else is in this box.
So there's
controllers.
the first layer, which is what the
System.
system was in, and there's
So here we dig into the
I've already
potatoes.
cut pepper.
That was the meat. Here's the potatoes here. We have the DualShock. Wow. The original NES, or original PlayStation controller.
now it does come with 2 controllers.
Beep boop, beep boop.
You know, I haven't held an original PlayStation
Iron
controller
Mega
in a
Man.
long time. But
It's
it's
still nice.
exactly how I remember it. It
It
feels,
feels weird not having like a joystick.
yeah.
Did they always use just
Yes,
this?
the original PlayStation only had a directional pad. At the end of the system, they did come out with an analog stick. But the buttons are nice and clicky. The D-pad feels just like,
A normal D-pad.
yeah, just like Sony's all their
Can I feel
D-pads.
it?
Yep, and they're super light.
It's so cool.
They-
They're just like plastic.
I think the plastic feels different than the regular PlayStation controllers used to be. I could be wrong. I haven't held one in a couple decades. A brand new one anyway.
It
But
looks nice.
you can hear they're really nice and clicky. Like that. So's the D-pad.
Not really the D-pad. Maybe a
No, it's
little.
clicky. Listen.
Oh yeah, a little. I don't think you guys can hear it since it's so
The select and start buttons feel really good. They're like really soft rubber. Really like that.
Can we play something?
I wish the D-pad was like that, but the buttons feel good.
Daddy, can we play something?
Yeah, we will, buddy. And then we have the R1 and R2.
Oh, the next
L1 and L2. Wow. Forgot how these
Mario.
feel. So that's the Sony PlayStation Classic. Just the hardware side of it anyway. You can see the controller's basically about the same size as the actual system. And it comes with a USB cord and the HDMI cable, but no power brick. So you gotta get your own power brick or use another one that you already have.
Should we open this up, the manual,
Let's
to show
see.
them?
See what's in the manual.
Yep.
Usually they're pretty basic.
Yeah, it just talks about the system and stuff. And
Alright, what do we got here? Instruction manual. Just basic stuff, talking about vents. And then, yeah, there's not much to it. Pretty cheap, no posters or nothing. Just really cheap kind of paper. And then there's another language here. French, maybe. For anybody that speaks French, which I don't.
yeah, we don't.
But there it is, guys. Well, if you decide to pick one up, I hope you like it. It's at least cool to have on your shelf.
Yeah.
But that's our video, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Bye.
Bye.